Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. Yes, I ended up finding the trade for today, but it wasn't like the best trade ever. Like it was actually a 8 plus setup, but the volume and the market condition did not give me like anything, like literally anything. So I'm going to now explain every single thing about this trade, how I did I take it, and pretty much like my thought process on the whole trade. And also, as I told you in the video before this one, like the video of the trade bias identification, I told you that I'm going to take a lot of screenshots to explain my entry point and every single thing. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button to let us reach 220 legends before the end of May. You did like and subscribe? Hold on, let's get started into the video. So today I had an overall bearish bias. You may tell me how. Well, first of all, you may see the overall move on the daily time frame. You can see this is a bullish uptrend, all right? But why are you bearish for the day? So yesterday was bearish, today was also bearish, and we are now like going into this fair value gap but not seeing any fucking like retracement or rejections or any fucking reaction off of those lows and off of those fair value gap. But if you scale down to the lower time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, you can see the move even clearer. Okay, you may also like say, oh, it is also an uptrend. I'm gonna say no, because we did actually like broke the structure multiple times. Like we broke structure right here, we broke structure right here, now we broke structure right here, and we also like they took out these lows and did not make anything. Like yesterday we saw the retracement back right here, and we did not do anything. Like we didn't see the continuation of the move to the upside. That's why I told you I am bearish for the day. So also we still have this new week opening gap did not get closed, so I said I want to see the new week opening gap get closed. That's a draw on liquidity. Also I have like, hold on, these hourly lows and these hourly lows as a draw on liquidity. Those hourly lows already got taken out on Asia, and we still have these lows and also this low of, or this high of the pre-new week opening gap. So that's it. All right, hold on. Now we also have these hourly highs, which are the Asian session highs, and we also have these Asian session low. So at the first start of London session, we saw some high like getting created, which is the lower high. So but what I wanted to see, like I told you, which is like taking out these London session highs or taking out these Asian session highs and filling up this 1 hour fair value gap and this 1 hour like breaker block. All right, and so you can't be confused, I'm going to show you now the exact like screenshots. Hold on, this is the screenshot for GBP GPY also. So we did took out the London session highs. We just took out the London session highs. Then what I wanted to see is a reaction from this hourly fair value gap, which is this blue box and this like hourly breaker block. And then I wanted to see breaker structure on the 15-minute, continuation confluences on the 5-minute or so, and then a 1-minute entry. And I waited, we saw the reaction off of those levels, and then I kept waiting. This one on USD GPY, I'm going to cover that later. And then we did create this 5-minute fair value gap. I wanted to see it invalidated, and then I will like scale up the move and see if there's anything to adapt the current price action to like the confluences to enter, to find an entry or something. So I kept waiting, I waited, hold on, I did not take any screenshot. So I waited for this fair value gap to get invalidated. I just kept waiting, and then if we scale down to the 15-minute right here, you can see that we created some sort of structure right here, which is the waiting of this 5-minute fair value gap to get invalidated. We kept accumulating, then we created the 15-minute structure, but then boom, we head on like immediately we broke the structure on the 15-minute, and then what I want to see, like price did ended up like inversing this gap. So now we have this inverse value gap, and then pretty much what I wanted to see, like we already like broke structure on the 15-minute, we invalidate the bullish structure on the 5-minute also, then scale down to the 1-minute to see an entry. Alright, what I wanted to see is like after broken the structure right here, we got back, we traced back into this breaker block, then we head on another time. Then after we just broke the structure, like I wanted to see price like break below the last candles right here. If I see a candle close, I will enter, like just like that. Hold on, where is it? Like here, not right there. Hold on, this one gives me the opportunity to know where price is going actually to go. So we just like closed below that level, I just entered, I got filled right here. Then my stop loss, I wanted to be protected, I didn't want to, I could have just put it my stop loss right here, which will give me much more risk to reward ratio, but I wanted to be more safer on this trade, especially with I'm seeing like the potential of this trade could go a lot deeper lower. But then I pretty much my take profit was at these lows, as I told you, for a pretty much 1 to 2 risk to reward. But then like price kept consolidating for a bit, then it almost like hit my TP. It hit this hourly low, but I just did not close the trade. I kept waiting. The price started reversing. I put in my stop loss at break even to be safe on the trade. But then like we gone through a lot of fucking bullshit. Like, hold on, fucking almost 2 hours of consolidation. I was like, God fucking damn it, bro, get me out of this trade. I don't want to be even on this trade. But then I kept waiting. I set my TP at these lows, like just hold on, I'm going to explain now. Like once we hit down to this low, I said, okay, are we going to finally like hit the TP? But then I started seeing some move to the upside. Once we create this structure, then we hit down another time. But then I saw this candle like breaking the structure to the upside right here, and I said, get me the fuck out of this trade. Like I got off of this trade like right here. I was having like pretty much 1 to 1.2 risk to reward. Very shitty risk to reward for me and for my strategy, because my strategy is composed of a high risk to reward, and I got off of this trade for almost 1 to 1.2 risk to reward. But yeah, it is what it is. I can't complain over winnings. A win is a win. I can't complain. I followed my trading plan on GJ, and I only take 1 trade per day for my trading plan. I only take 1 trade per day, and that's it. 1% per day only. And glad I didn't took this trade, because it went through a lot of bullshit, and it's still like on the entry price. Like, what the fuck is this volume? I don't even know. Like, it has been some 4 hour and a half or 4 hour and 30 minutes, and it's still on the same fucking level. Also, this trade is also like a good setup, A+ setup, but the market conditions are so shitty right now. But yeah, this is the trade recap for today. At least we made another banger for the day. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. If you have anything in your mind, just type it up in the comment section. I'll reply within an hour. And if you want to like check on my Telegram, I did not like post anything on that, but I want you guys suggestion on that. What should I do with the Telegram channel? Should I like start a community over there, or should I do what? Educational series for free? But I don't even know. Like, suggest me something, please. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching once again. I appreciate you guys. Let's be 1% better every day. And that's it for today's video. Stay safe. I'll catch you guys up tomorrow. Peace out.